Welcome to Sheridan's Work Well program. We are so happy to be a part of your career development and transition into the world of work. Whether you are creating a resume for the first time, searching for a part-time job while completing your education, or trying to figure out the next steps in your career, we are here to help you thrive and achieve your goals. The Work Well program supports all students, including those participating in co-op or field placement programs, those who are planning for future employment, or those who are exploring next steps in their careers. The world of work is ever-changing and complex. It's becoming increasingly difficult for students to find meaningful employment and establish themselves in their careers. As a trailblazing post-secondary destination, Sheridan will prepare you for an ever-changing future. That's why we're proud to share our new Work Well program. This program includes learning modules, resources, and links to Sheridan Career Services staff to support you on your journey to work well. The Work Well modules will help you identify career preferences and strengths, create quality resumes and cover letters, develop job search strategies and interview techniques, manage your career wellness in the workplace. Our team integrates career readiness into your Sheridan experience through your program of study and out-of-class activities. You will identify and develop the career competencies that are attractive to employers to ensure you are a well-rounded graduate who can find and retain meaningful employment in your chosen field, develop and follow a long-term career path, and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Sheridan will be essential in launching your career, and we believe you will succeed. Your career success is our priority.